Yep, good lady.
Yeah. Wish she was still here.
Oh, well, when she didn't marry, she's alive. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
But hey, you,